Identity theft isn't just something that you see in the news. It could easily happen to you. Being prepared can make all the difference. What if you had an early warning system to alert you to suspicious activity and provide support to help restore your identity if your personal information is stolen? Welcome to ID Assist. ID Assist scans the dark web to find out where your personal details may be exposed. If you receive an alert, you can log into the ID Assist website or mobile app to get all the details and decide if you need to take action. Let's say ID Assist discovers your credit card number has been compromised in a data breach. You'll be notified with instructions on what to do next. ID Assist can also pull in information from both Canadian credit bureaus and alert you to certain changes. If your plan includes credit bureau monitoring, you'll be alerted when lenders run checks on your credit file. If you don't recognize the lender's name, it may be a sign that someone has applied for a loan using your identity. We'll help guide you through next steps, such as filing reports, contacting the credit bureaus, and placing fraud alerts on your credit file. And if your plan includes it, you'll receive regular credit scores and credit reports so you can monitor changes over time and address any issues before they turn into long-term problems. Your plan can also help you boost your online security when it includes ID Assist Password Manager, a powerful tool to generate and store strong passwords for all your accounts. Don't wait until it's too late. ID Assist. Start defending yourself today.